You think you're getting away with it. The caffeine, the screen glow at 2 a.m., the convincing yourself that sleep is optional. But if you could zoom into your brain right now, it isn't grinding, it's panicking. Your brain has its own cleaning system called the glymphatic system. Think of it like a garbage truck that only runs one shift, the night shift. While you sleep, it flushes out toxic waste that builds up throughout the day. Dangerous proteins like beta amyloid, the same one linked to Alzheimer's disease. Every night, your brain is supposed to take out the trash. But when you pull an all-nighter, the truck never comes. The waste piles up, and your neurons start suffocating in their own mess. Now here's the twist. Around 3 a.m., you suddenly feel wired, almost alert, like you caught a second wind. You think you're fine. You're not fine. What's actually happening is your body hitting the emergency switch. It reads the sleep deprivation as a threat and floods your system with cortisol and adrenaline, the same chemicals that spike when you're in danger. That sharpness you feel isn't clarity, it's desperation. Biologically, you're having a slow-motion panic attack and calling it a productive night. And the next morning, that foggy, half-remembering everything feeling has a reason. During deep sleep, your brain consolidates memory. It files everything you learned and locks it in. No sleep means no filing. Your brain couldn't save your progress. The thing you studied, the meeting, the conversation, blurry or gone, because the process that was supposed to cement it never ran. Sleep isn't rest, it's maintenance. Your brain has a system built over millions of years, and it runs on sleep, not caffeine, not willpower. So close the tab, dim the screen, and let the garbage truck do its job. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. This video took longer to make than it should have, and my glymphatic system is not okay.